Namaskaram to one and all the audience. A very warm welcome to the friends and family members for this evening's program, Akshaya's Gaje Puja. As the scripture Natya Shastra or the Panchama Veda says, Natyam bhinnam ruchair janasya bahudapyekam samaradhyanam means Natya, the scenic art, is the only means of entertainment to the people of divergent tastes. Dance in India is called Natyam. Natyam is a divine art. It is composite art, enfolding in its range other fine arts as well. Of course, music goes with dance, along with other elements of sculpture, poetry, and drama. In one sense, it may be said to be a complete art, a comprehensive art. For centuries, Natya and Sangeetam, that is, dance and music, have been the most spiritual paths to attain the Sat Gati, the eternal bliss. When the dancers tie their bells and prepare themselves to dance to the tunes of the mridangam, to the melody of the vocal and instrumental music, they create Rangasthalam, that is, the dais. And it is this sacred art form that makes any place as sacred as a temple. At this juncture, we would like to request our guests that they kindly put their mobile phones on silent mode. The Gaje Puja can be attributed as a primary graduation ceremony every Bharatanatyam student participates in. It is the first time the student wears the Gajjalu, the dancing bells, and officially ascends the stage as a Bharatanatyam student. This ceremony has been conducted since ancient times and prepares the student for further training in this art form. In this ceremony, the student offers reverence to their parents, Guru, and to God. It also serves as a form of motivation for the student and an opportunity to showcase the art form that they have learned. After commencing their Shishyarambham, the mark of initiation into this art form, the student reaches this level before moving on to the training required for her Arangetram.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we are here to celebrate a very special moment in my sister Akshaya's Bharatanatyam journey, her Gajja Puja. Akshaya is going to start 11th grade at Rishi Valley School this year. She started learning Bharatanatyam when she was in 2nd grade, but her serious training began in 7th grade at Rishi Valley School under the guidance of her guru, Sri Venugopal. For the past 1 year, she has been working very hard and practicing regularly to prepare for today's performance. Along with dance, she has also studied Carnatic music and is very passionate about the performing arts. She is really excited to share the result of all her hard work with all of you this evening. Akshaya will begin today's performance with an invocation called Mallari, followed by the traditional Allari. Mallari is a special form of music played on the Nadaswaram, accompanied by the Dolu, a percussion instrument, and is played exclusively during temple rituals and processions in southern parts of the country. During these processions, Devadasis, the temple staff, who are well versed in classical music and dance art forms, used to dance to it. This composition stands as a formal invitation to the deities to start the ceremonial rituals. Nowadays, the classical art forms like music and dance has moved from temple to stage, and this musical piece has also been modified as an invocatory composition in Bharatanatyam. The word Mallari is derived from the Sanskrit roots Mallika, meaning garland, and Ari, meaning enemy, symbolizing the garland of victory over enemies. Today's Mallari is set to Tishra Tripura Talam, a count of 7, in Ragam Gambhira Nattai. It will be followed by traditional Allaripu in Mr. Chapu Talam, which is also with a count of 7. ta kitta takadimi.
தத்தை யா தையும் தத்த தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தத்தை யா தையும் தத்த தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தாம் தித்தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தை தத்தை 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 நிதாம் தரிக்கிட்ட தக்கத்தை ததை தரிக்கிட்ட தக்கதாம் 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 தித்தாம் கிட்ட தக்கத்தை தத்தை கிட்ட 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 தக்கதாம் தித்தாம் தரிக்கிட்ட தக்கத்தை ததை தரிக்கிட்ட 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 தக்கதாம் தித்தாம் கிட்ட தக்கத்தை தத்தை கிட்ட 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 தக்கதாம் தித்தாம் தரிக்கிட்ட தக்கத்தை ததை தரிக்கிட்ட 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 தக்கதா தக்கின ஜம் ததன தக்கின ஜம் தகனக ஜம் தரி தக்க தரிக்கின தோம் தக்க தரிக்கின தோம் தக்க தரிக்கின தோம் தாம் தித்தாம் திருகிர் தக்க தக்க திருகிர் தக்க திருகிர் தக்க திருகிர் தக்க தக்க திருகிர் தக்க திருகிர் தக்க திருகிர் தக்க தக்க திருகிர் தக்க திருகிர் தளங் தக்க திக்கு தரிக்கிட்ட தோம் தத்தை யா தையும் தத்த தாம் கிட்ட தக்க தாம் தித்தாம்